up guys, this is Mandeep Burmi. So in this video we're gonna drive around for another 5-7 minutes and work on some left turns, right turns, so cover some of the driving rules. Alright, so if you're looking for driving lessons, you can give me a call. You guys see the number on the screen. You can call me on that number, or you can also send me a text message on that same number. And you can also visit my website, link is in the description below. So let's get moving. So we're gonna shift into drive, and anytime when you're in a parked position, before you start moving, you have to indicate that you're gonna start moving. All right, so here now the car is already in drive, so now I'm gonna signal left shoulder check to indicate I'm gonna start moving from parked position. We are on a two-way street, as you can tell. We are on a two-way street right now, and we're gonna be turning right at stop sign. There's also a sign indicating that all the traffic is supposed to turn right from the stop sign. So first you have to do a full stop before the sidewalk. Then you can roll forward a little bit and check traffic coming from the left side. If it's clear, then you go. And we're gonna take this lane here, and we're gonna be turning right again. So I got my right blinker on, and I'm doing a full stop here before the stop line. So we're just gonna wait here for the green light. You can wait here for the green light, or you can also turn right on a red light after doing a complete stop. So here now the light is green, so let's get going. So we're gonna change lane to the left side. So I got my left blinker on. I'm doing mirror check, shoulder check. And let's actually change one more lane. So mirror check, shoulder check. Now we will go left at the traffic lights. If you look at the traffic lights, the first two lanes are turning left, and that's what the overhead signs are showing as well. Like this lane and then left lane have to, if you're in this lane or in the left lane, you have to turn left. You cannot go straight from this lane. And if you want to go straight, then you should be in the right lane. There's also a sign indicating that no left turn on a red light. So we are just waiting for the green light right now. When you're waiting for the green light, you still want to have both hands on the steering, 9 and 3 o'clock hand position. So shouldn't take too long. So I see amber light on the other side, so maybe another 1 or 2 seconds. Ready, go. So we got a green light, so we are good to go. Now since I'm in the right lane, I have to make sure I stay in the second lane here. So now we see speed limit sign here, which shows maximum 60 kilometers. So if you go over the speed limit in your driving test, that's automatic fail. And if you're going too slow without any reason, that's also automatic fail, because then that means you're gonna interfere with other traffic. So let's change lane here. So I'm checking my mirror. I'm going to signal left mirror check again, shoulder check, and then I change my lane. From this intersection we are going straight, but on the next intersection we will turn left. And your left signal should be on about 30 meters before the intersection. All right, so now we got a green light coming up, and I'm just gonna not this intersection. So we got a green light. We need to keep going. Sorry, I confused myself with another intersection. So speed limit here is so we will turn left here. So speed limit here was 60 kilometers. We're gonna turn left on this side street here. Slowing down. There's no oncoming traffic. There's no pedestrian crossing. Now we are in residential area. We see parked cars. So signal shoulder check to indicate we are pulling out. Now we can signal shoulder check to indicate we are pulling back to the right side. So we're gonna be doing same thing here. So I got my left blinker on, and left shoulder check to indicate I'm pulling out. and then right signal, right shoulder check to indicate I'm pulling back to my side. and we're gonna be turning left here, so left signal. So this one is a two-way street, so I'm staying on the right hand side. Speed limit, there's no speed limit sign. It's a residential area, so the speed limit here is 50 kilometers. All right, so on a blind corner like this, like you wanna, you know, keep checking on the left hand side, just to make sure you know it's clear, because sometimes people drive in the wrong lane. You want to make sure nobody's driving in the wrong lane, so nobody's in your lane, so you don't get any surprises. Now we see a cyclist, so we're gonna signal, shoulder check, and then we go in the left lane here. Right signal, right shoulder check to indicate we are pulling back to the right side. Up ahead, we're gonna be turning right. So same thing here, when you're about 30 meters, that's when you put the right signal on. So now I can put the right signal on, slowing down a little bit. There's no stop line here, so we're just gonna stop before the sidewalk, complete stop. And now there's nobody on the sidewalk, so now we're just gonna move up and check traffic coming from the left hand side, and now it's clear, so now we are good to go. And you wanna take your first lane. So on this street here, the speed limit here is 60 kilometers. So far there's no sign, but I know it's 60 kilometers here. So I'm doing about 58, 59. We're gonna actually change lane to the left side. So I'm going to mirror check, signal, mirror check, shoulder check, and we're gonna be turning right from this lane. So I got my right blinker on and checking on the crosswalk first. Now we have a yield sign, so there is a traffic coming, so we're just gonna wait for the traffic. Alright, so now we are good to go because this car is in the far lane. So we're gonna be turning left at the traffic lights. So I got my left blinker on. So far there is a green arrow, that means we are getting the priority. Speed limit sign on the right hand side. So you can see it's maximum 50 kilometers. So same thing here, we got a green light, so that means we are good to go. Okay my friends, that's it for this video. Again, if you guys are looking for driving lessons, give me a call or send me a text message. You guys see the number on the screen, and I will help you guys out. So give me a call, send me a text message, go visit my website, send me an email. We are on Facebook, we are on YouTube, we are everywhere. We are on social media everywhere. So send me a message, and I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you very much.